Welcome our dear viewers. Today we are going to read and learn. Tion say sound shin. Tion say sound shin. Let's read the words. Station. I am going at the police station. Ng say sound ng. String. This is a string. Ture say sound cha. Let's read the word. Mixture. This is a mixture of sugar and water. Sh say sound sh. Let's read the word. Shell. This is a shell. O say sound O. Let's read the words. Ho. I have a hoe. O say sound O. Boat. A boat sails on water. Thank you for watching. Comment, share and like this video.